welcome back to another video of Keyaan's Corner. First of all, I want to give a big thank you to all of you who watched and appreciated my last video where I showed you how quickly and easy the Rubik's Cube can be solved. So, you guys ready? Let's begin. But first of all, I want to give some acknowledgements. First of all, my cousin Zen. He showed me how to solve the first and second layer, how fast it can be solved, and you guys should check out his YouTube channel that I would highly recommend, Zantic Savvy, and be sure to subscribe it. Now, I want to give one more acknowledgement to Z-Man872. He showed me how the 3x3 Rubik's Cube can be solved with the third layer, which is really difficult. He showed it in very simple steps. So you guys should also watch his YouTube channel. And now let's begin. Reminder that you need a 3x3 Rubik's Cube all jumbled up. Now my Rubik's Cube over here is all done, the first layer. So when we're solving the first layer, you're gonna want to have this. So a green, so each side will be the same. Green, red, orange, and blue. So they're gonna look like T's, upside down T's. The same middle, the bottom edge piece, and two corners. So you're wondering, what are middle pieces, edges, and corners? So a middle piece is this, the middle of the whole layer. This is the middle piece for the green layer, and an edge piece are these four pieces. This green piece and white piece are an edge piece. This green and yellow, orange and yellow, and blue and orange. Okay? Now, you're gonna have the same thing for all of them. Okay, and you're gonna want your white to be solved. So, you guys ready to do it? Okay, mix up your cubes. Okay, now as you see, my Rubik's Cube is all messed up. The first thing you're gonna want to make is the daisy. And right now, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. And then I'm going to show you how to make it. This is how the daisy will look like. Like I told you, 4 white edges, but it has to be white. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a yellow middle piece right here. We're not worrying about the corners at this step, but we're going to do it in the layer. Okay, now if you guys are ready, I'm going to show you how to make it. Mixing it up again. Okay, the first thing we want to find is a yellow middle piece. Look, we found a yellow middle piece. Now we're going to find the 4 white edges. I got lucky because I got 2 white edges already in a spot. Now I just need to find 2 white edges that would go here. So let's look around our cube. Here's 1 white edge piece. Okay, so let's move the white edge piece where we can get it. So here we need the white edge piece to go. So we're going to move the bottom layer to that spot, like this. Then you're going to want to turn that layer. If you guys can see, go to the top and then turn that layer, okay? Then you got your white edge piece on the side, okay? Now, if we move this side up, we lost this piece already. So, we're gonna move these 2 layers to the side, and then we're gonna move the left layer upwards. And you got your piece over there. Now, let's look for our other white edge. Here, we found our white edge piece. Now we're going to do the exact same thing. Turn both layers to the right side and then move the right side upwards. And as you see, we got our daisy done. Now, if you don't understand, I'm going to show you how to do it again. Now it's all messed up. So remember, we start with the yellow middle. Okay? Here's a white edge piece. Let's try to get this piece over here. A simple move would be, we just move this piece upwards. And we got one edge piece done. Now, as you see, we have another edge piece right over here. So, we need to do this one, right? So, all we need to do is turn this layer twice. It's just like this piece is over here, except we need to do it twice. Okay? Then what we're going to do is look for two more pieces. Here's one white edge. We're going to do the same thing we did before, except this is way easier. If we turn the layer to the left side, we can just move it upwards. And luckily, one white edge piece was here, so when we did this part, one white edge already came up here. And that's done. If you're still stuck on it, you can rewind from this video and look at it again. Now, we're done the first step of the first layer. Okay? When you're done your daisy, you want to put the daisy at the bottom. So pretend my hand's the table. I'm putting the daisy on my hand. Okay? Now what we're going to do is look at every middle piece, which is red, blue, orange, and green. So I want to start with orange for an example. I need to match the middle piece with the edge piece. So orange and blue is not matching right now, right? So we want to turn the bottom layer to the right and see if we can match the piece. So now we've matched this piece, and we want to make the white cross on top of us. So when we match the pieces, we'll have a white edge at the bottom. When you get the pieces matching, you're going to turn that layer 2 times. Now you're wondering, what layer? The layer you're on right now, you turn that one. If you look at the top, you're going to want to turn this layer, the one you just fixed, 2 times to get your edge piece right beside the middle one, because they both are white. Now, I'm going to turn to the left side. Okay? Then, I want blue and blue matching. So, luckily, I got blue and blue matching already. If you don't, you remember what to do. Turn the bottom layer until you get the blue piece matching. But before you do it, you have to check at the bottom. Is there a white edge piece? Because sometimes there's more than one same bottom color. So I got lucky again. I got my white edge piece over there, so I can turn my layer twice. And I got my white edge up there. Then I turn the cube to the left again. Red and red. I got lucky again, matching. Is there a white edge? Yes, again. Got lucky again. Turn it twice, got the edge piece up there, and turn it again. Wow, I got super lucky. I got all of them matching. Green and green. White edge at the bottom. Turn the layer twice. Okay, like I said, you might not get it right at the right spot, but it'll take time. Now you see you've gotten the white cross. Okay? What you want to do is you want to put that white cross at the bottom now. It's like flip from flip. Now, you see we've gotten our 2 pieces, all of them matching. Now we're finally looking at the corners, but not any corners. We're looking at specific corners. We're looking at white corners. Okay, if you look around your cube, I got a white corner right here. What pieces are around the white corner? So around my white corner first, I got green and red. Okay, I want to get the intersection. And you guys are wondering again, what is an intersection? An intersection is in between two colors. So blue and orange, this is the intersection of it, okay? So I want to get a red and green intersection, okay? So I'm going to turn the top layer. Now my piece has gone to green and red, green and orange. So I'm going to have to turn it again until I get it. Have I gotten it now? Green and orange? Yes, I have green and red. I've gotten it. Now what you're going to do is, you're always going to look at the left side, whichever color it is, and you want to do the righty algorithm. Right now I'm going to show you how to do it slowly. You want to put the right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right. And you want to get that white edge at the bottom and make the green and red edge facing this way and that way. And look, we've gotten it at the right place. If you didn't understand, remember to rewind. Now we're going to look at another corner. Look, here's another orange and green corner. Intersection again. Red and this is orange and green. So this piece has orange and green. So we already have it at the right place. Okay, so we're going to do the righty algorithm again. Remember, right up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. Okay, and we got that piece at the bottom. Remember, we're also trying to get each color a T. So this one already got the T because both intersection corners are at the bottom. Okay, now we have another corner up here. It has orange and blue on it. Okay, over here we have orange and green, so it won't work. Let's move it to the right side. Orange and blue, orange and blue. We got it. Okay, let's do the righty algorithm. Top, right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left. And now you guys are wondering, why is it not done? Sometimes it takes a little more time. So you just want to do it again until you get the white piece at its layer. So you're going to want to do that set of moves again. Top, right hand side up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. We've still not got that piece down here. So let's do it one more time. Top, right hand side up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. Have we gotten it? We got our piece. Now we have one more corner to get, which is right here. Okay? Look, red and blue, red and blue. Okay, this is our last corner piece we need to get in. So we're gonna do those set of moves again. Top, right hand side up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. Not in, do it again. Right hand side up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. And again. Right hand side up, top to the left, right hand side down, top to the right. Still not there yet. Right hand side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left, right. And we just need to do it one more time to get it down. And as you see, we are done the first layer. Woohoo, you guys did it. Look, so our blue side has our T, our upside down T. Then we go to the next one, upside down T. Upside down T, and last one, upside down T. We did it. White side done. That was great. Remember, if you didn't get it full, remember to rewind, watch the video again. Take your time. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you how to solve the second layer in easy steps. Bye!